Are you a teacher or a trainer? Have you ever experienced conflict or prejudice between your learners? To solve conflict and reduce social exclusion among students, we are presenting the Restoring Respect Through Music Education project. The RRME project is a project with partners from 5 different countries and organizations. We focus on combining restorative justice and its values with music education, providing musical activities and a general knowledge of restorative justice for teachers and trainers. In Spain, the project was implemented by Asociación, Caminos. Relying on our expertise of working with young people and conducting workshops focusing on social exclusion, we implemented the first training with various target groups: teachers and trainers from formal and informal education, as well as students who are currently learning to become teachers. This can help them to have effective and useful tools and methods at hand right from the beginning of their career journey. Due to health and safety requirements, the Spanish workshops were held online with the help of different media and tools. You can find various instructional videos on the musical activities on our YouTube channel. In November 2022, we held the national conference to promote the project in Spain. Attendees learned more about the project and its outcomes and could directly participate in activities at the event to learn more about different cultures and music and dance as a tool to improve social inclusion. The RRME project made apparent how important it is to teach professionals how to address sensitive topics, solve conflict, and reduce discrimination and exclusion in their classrooms. The workshops also showed the motivation and interest to exchange best practices and experiences among the professionals themselves. Thus, the RRME project gave them a chance to exchange, to learn, and to grow, because we can always improve.